So morning everyone, it's Paul and...
Owen.
So Paul from PH Exterior Cleaning and Owen from...
Shy Exterior Cleaning.
Very good. We love our jobs.
You can tell.
You can tell, that's true.
What time is it? It's 9 o'clock in the morning.
And this is the job we've got today. So there's the two vans, there's the advertising, da da da. And as you can see, we've got this section of roof at the front and at the back as well. There's some solar panels at the back, so we'll be nice and gentle with those. These tiles will come up a sort of lighty brown, not a cream, but a lighty brown colour, because we've done some other ones just round the corner. And the customer contacted us specifically, which is nice, because of some referrals from some other external cleaners. So we're just about to start. We've got everything set up. It's 5 to 9. And we'll talk later when we're wrecked. Bye bye.